Welcome to Buy Smart, where we delve into the details of the Goyouth 2-in-1 electric treadmill and the Sperax Treadmill.
Today, we're comparing these two treadmills based on online reviews and feature comparisons to help you make an informed decision.
When it comes to motor performance, the Goyouth treadmill offers a 2.25 HP motor ideal for those who prefer a quieter exercise session. Reviewers appreciate its ability to provide a calm jogging experience. On the other hand, the Sperax boasts a slightly more powerful 2.5 HP motor, favored by users for its ability to handle more intense workouts without compromising on noise levels. The Goyouth features a shock-absorbing and non-slip running belt, which users find comfortable and safe for their workouts. In contrast, the Sperax offers a wide non-slip belt, which has been praised for providing extra space and safety, making it ideal for a more comfortable running experience. Both treadmills are equipped with features aimed at enhancing user experience. The Goyouth stands out with its Bluetooth speakers, allowing users to enjoy their favorite tunes while working out. Meanwhile, the Sperax is highlighted for its ease of use, with a fully assembled delivery and simple controls that have been well received by users. Assembly and storage can be a deciding factor for many. The Goyouth may require some effort to assemble, but users find it manageable and appreciate its easy storage. Sperax, however, takes the lead in this category with its fully assembled delivery, making it an instant hit among users who prefer to skip the setup process. Overall, the Goyouth 2-in-1 electric treadmill is praised for its quiet operation and user-friendly features, while the Sperax treadmill stands out for its powerful motor and convenience, particularly its fully assembled delivery.
Both treadmills have their strengths, making the choice dependent on what users value most in their home workout equipment. That wraps up our comparison of the Goyouth 2-in-1 electric treadmill and the Sperax treadmill.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Interested in purchasing one of these treadmills? Check out the product links in the description.
Until next time, keep making smart buying decisions.